Gerald, the rescued stray cat, is finally going to explore out of the basement. After spending several months in our basement due to recovery, he looks eager but nervous. I placed my pumpkins in my office for safety. Immediately after rescuing him, we took him to the vet because he was limping. Then we placed him in the basement for recovery. So this is his first time getting to explore his forever home. Before I knew it, he had already come out. I did not want to scare him, so I sat there while he explored. He is such a curious sweetheart. He is totally mapping a mental layout of the place and ensuring that he does not lose track of his comfort zone. After he became a bit comfortable, he found the backyard window. I wonder if he remembers that he used to stare at us from the outside. In fact, we bought that little house that you see outside for him to get him through the winter. Later, he started exploring other areas. Then he started meowing. But he was a brave boy and continued exploring. Meanwhile, the Ginger Squad was not too happy. Nevertheless, Gerald continued his curiosity. But he did not make it upstairs because he heard something out back. It was the neighborhood cat, Chubby Mama aka Chungus. She did not look amused to see Gerald in the house. I think Gerald is going to grow to enjoy his home. He did excellent for his first day of exploring.